So guys, I think here we planted weed. Then here it's pepper. It's the chilies. This one I think is hibiscus. This one I think is chamomile. This is lemon balm. I'm not sure what this tree is, and I think it don't like the sun because it was there. We moved it here. I think it doesn't like the sun. This is also chilies. It's the same as that one in the long stick. Just put the long stick so it can grow in a. This is Lerumo madi. Here we planted. Let's see. It's going even. This is not what we planted. I think this is just weeds. Yeah, this is what we planted. I forgot what this was, but yeah. So these things, these dead leaves, help with hydrating the garden for long, you see. And then here it's pepper. Then this is obviously tomatoes. This is chilies, as you could see. Yeah, this is Lerumo madi. So as you saw in the other video, we planted mostly spring onions at first, but got to remove them because they're not sustainable. Okay, this is tomatoes. All of these is tomatoes. So mostly the trees that are on the fence is tomatoes. That's for because you know the trees are not straight. That's pepper. All of this is gonna be chilies. That's tomato. Transplanted that plant, but it's dying. All of this is tomato. I think this is lettuce. This is some butterhead lettuce. Yeah. So we put these leaves so that the garden stays hydrated for a long time. But hopefully they don't kill the plants, as you could see. I think I must add more sand later.